friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making soft-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. So what we need is a cup of water for pressure cooking and eggs, and you can use as many eggs as you'd like. The cooking time and the amount of water remains the same. So here I have this rack specifically for the eggs. If you don't have it, you can just put eggs directly in the water. This is just for convenience, so it can be easily taken out of the Instant Pot. So now I'm going to open the lid of the Instant Pot, and let's add 1 cup of water for pressure cooking. And I'm going to put the egg rack in the Instant Pot. And I'm going to put an egg, and I'm just gonna cook 1, but you can cook as many eggs as you like using this method. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. And now let's press the pressure cook button and set the time to 5 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here's our soft-boiled eggs, so I'm going to take this out. So careful, this is hot. And I'm going to put this egg in the ice water right away to make it easy to peel. So just leave it in ice water for 1 to 2 minutes and peel and enjoy. So now the egg has been in ice water for 2 minutes, so let me peel it. And now let's cut the egg and see the inside. Here we go, a perfect soft-boiled egg. Amazing! See how easy it was to make it in the Instant Pot? And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love soft-boiled eggs. Look at that, looks so good. Delicious. Perfectly set egg white and still liquid yolk. Just the way soft-boiled eggs should be, and it's so easy to make them in Instant Pot. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!